Math 7, Lesson 10.7, Area of Triangles and Trapezoids. Area of a triangle. If you cut a rectangle in half, you end up with a triangle. So every triangle is half of a rectangle. So if we make a rectangle and we cut it in half, that's the height and that's the base, then as you'll see, it would be the same as this triangle. Height, base, right angle. So the formula for area of a rectangle is area equals base times height. The area of a triangle is half base times height. So it's exactly what a rectangle is, but cut it in half. So the area of a triangle is half of the area of a rectangle. If you can remember that, then you'll remember the area of a triangle, which a lot of people forget. Just remember it's the same as area of a rectangle, but then cut it in half. Area of a trapezoid. If you duplicate a trapezoid, you can form a parallelogram. The area of one trapezoid will be half of that parallelogram. So let's take a look at what that would look like. So if we have a trapezoid, height, height, this is B1, base 1, B2, base 2, and then two trapezoids form a parallelogram. So it's as if you took this one and put it here and then flipped it around and put it here, then it forms the two trapezoids, which is a parallelogram. So if we label it, it would be B1, B2, B2, B1, and then we have our height. So then the area is of a trapezoid is B1 plus B2 times the height. So it would be like it would be for a normal parallelogram, which is the side or the base times the height. But this base is B1 and B2 added together, which is the base of a parallelogram. So to go over that again, if we have a trapezoid, B1, B2, base 1, base 2, the height, the area is going to be half of B1 plus B2 times the height. Because if you take a look at our other picture here, one of them is half of this whole thing. This was our area for this whole thing. One of them is going to be half of that. Let's do some examples. Number one, we need to find the area of the triangles given the base and the height. And remember, our formula of a triangle is base times height cut in half, half base times height. So our first, number one, we need to find the area of that triangle. So the first thing I'm going to do is write down my equation, which is area equals half base times height. Area equals half, base is 11, height is 6. So that's going to be half of 66. So area equals 33 feet squared. Remember, whenever you're finding area, you're finding how many squares are in there. So it's feet squared. We're going to take a look at number 3. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to find the area of a triangle. Area equals half of the base times the height. So area equals half, 40, 16. I'm going to tell you a quick way to do this. The way that I do it is because I'm taking half of the number, I can take half of either 40 or 16, and it will save me a little bit of time. So I'm going to take half of 40 and make that 20. So area equals 20 times 16. Area equals 320 units or inches squared. On number 5, we're going to find the area of the trapezoid given B1, B2, and the height. And this is our formula. And for the sake of time, I'm not going to write down the formula on these problems, but it's a good idea usually to do that. Number 5, we have our B1, our B2, and our height, and it's going to be half of that. So it is going to be area equals half of 20 plus 8, and then our height is 4. So that's going to be half of 28 times 4. I'm going to take half of the 28, and that's going to be 14 times 4. So area equals 56 centimeters squared. Number 7, it's going to be half of 12 plus 14.5 because B1 plus B2, and that's times the height. And that's going to be half of 26.5 times 7. And here there's no easy way to take half of a number, so I'm just going to go ahead and multiply the 26.5 times the 7 and then cut it in half. So half times 185.5, and that is going to give me an area of 92.75 feet squared. Number 9, we're finding the missing dimension using the appropriate formula. So using for a triangle. So I'm going to write down, first of all, my formula for area of a triangle. And that is going to be area equals half of the base times the height. So here we have our area, they tell us. So I'm just going to plug in what I already know. And that equals half of the base we know, which is 12.4, and what we don't know is the height. So that's what we're trying to solve for. So I'm going to take 136.4 equals half of, I'm going to take half of 12.4 because I can do that pretty easily, and it's 6.2 times the height. Divide both sides by 6.2, or 6 2/10. And our height is going to be 22 inches. And notice it's not inches squared because it's not two-dimensional. We're only finding one side, so it's just the inches. Number 10, I'm going to write down my area of a trapezoid, and that is B1 plus B2 cut in half. I did it that way so you can see that that's what it is. It's cut in half, and then times the height. So let's fill in what we know. So they tell us the area, and that is 32 square feet, and that equals half of B1, which is 2 feet, plus B2, which is 14 feet, times the height. So 32 equals half of 16 times h. I can take half of 16, and that's going to be 8, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then to find the height, I divide both sides by 8, and so the height is going to be 4, and the units is in feet.